Alright, September 20th, 2022, Tyler Hayes here, 2115, coming to you from Ladysmith in the final days of summer, and already the start of Rail Safety Week since yesterday. Northbound on the way with an EMD in front, I think. Sporting Nathan P5s, let's check them out as we lean back and get them. Let's go. Gate drop. $563, I think. I don't think so. Thunder cab. House cleaner train. How about that? LMIX 410. What a catch. DOT failure confirmed. Boy, what a sight that was. How about that? I finally caught me a Loram ballast cleaner right behind the CN Thunder cab of the 8023. How about that? What a pass and what a catch. I mean, a definite shocker, I have to tell you. It'll do it for that one as it continues its northbound journey. And we'll do it for this video here in Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time, and I will see you down the main line. Tyler Hayes out.